Hello guys, welcome to ReviTech Update 1.0. This is my very first official update to my channel, and today we'll be doing the introduction of some equipment to my gears, which include a Kingjoy tripod, a microphone kit, and a DSLR camera. So, without further ado, let's get it all started. First of all, special thanks to Jumia Nigeria for their speedy delivery. Yeah, the two goods were shipped from overseas, and I received a text message like 3 weeks after I ordered them that my goods have arrived, and I was so delighted to go receive them. So, yeah, special thanks to them. Now, let's get it all started. First, it was a Kingjoy tripod. Now, the Kingjoy tripod looked so wonderful. It was more like a love at first sight. Like, I love the black gradients, the red pop-up knob, and it was very durable. Special thanks to Jumia Nigeria for their speedy delivery. Despite the goods were shipped from overseas, I was able to receive them in 3 weeks, which was cool. For despite the pandemic and everything, they were still able to ship the goods in 3 weeks, which was wonderful. Back to my new gear set. First, I received a Kingjoy tripod. It's actually a Kingjoy VT831. It's a very cool tripod. Yeah, I love it. It was more like a love at first sight. Yeah, it's extendable. Like, it's far better than my previous tripod, which wobbled a lot and was just not good for videoing. This one is super good. I just love it. It's so durable, and its extending length is far or way above my previous tripod, which was wonderful. Next is the microphone kit. Microphone kit is very interesting. Yeah, I received a BM800 condenser, a pop filter, a robotic arm, and cables. Yeah, cables connecting a microphone out to a headphone port, which was wonderful. So that's what I'm presently using for the videos. You can see long extension cable, the robotic arm. Yeah, you can see it at the top left of the video. Yeah, that's what I'm using for my videos. It's actually cool, and so I expect this good audio quality from it. Now, the most interesting part of it all is the DSLR camera. This is a Nikon D5200. Yeah, it can be used for videos and photographies, and videos it shoots up to 1080p by 1080 by 2160 and goes up to 30 frames per second at 1080p. Yeah, it shoots over 5 frames per second, which is cool. And it has a microphone port, which is found here. A microphone port, and it has a stereo speakers. Though the speaker quality, the sound quality from the speakers is awful, so I won't use that. I will use my mic for that. Yeah, so, and it came with an 18 to 55mm prime lens, which is more like of a standard now. It's found in the kit and goes from 18 to 55 and has the first knob, which is an L, and goes over 18 to 55 millimeters, which is wonderful. Good for photography and videography. For me, I would be shooting on 18 millimeters, which is good. So that's all for the introduction to my gears. Now, I'm so sorry for delaying my videos. Like, my previous video was over a month ago, which is not good for YouTube. So I'll try and make it a goal to shoot at least 2 videos a month. That's for a start, but I think I should get better. At least 3 or 4 videos a month. It's not quite good enough, but it's okay for a start. Yeah, for a start. I also want to make it a goal to get over 150 subscribers before the year runs out. And y'all can help me do that. And I'll drop the link for the equipment, the Kingjoy tripod, the BM800 condenser and its kit, and the DSLR camera in the description down below. So you can click them if you actually want to get them. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, click the like button, and if you've liked my previous videos before this one, then help me and smash that subscribe button and toggle on the bell icon to get notified when I drop my next video. It's Benadeko from ReviTech, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.